Sanibona bafethu uvande lo engathi lana soba nenkinga. Ngempela bafethu. So la iOrlando Pirates inabadlali esathanda kuba promote. Okuselebe nomfana omncane uDansino ona 17 years old. Yabo. Selebo uyadlala, he's getting more game time right now because uMakhehleni Makhawula wathola injury. Makhehleni Makhawula right now ugqoka bokhonkolo, so akwazi ukudlala anytime soon. Maybe he will even miss i-preseason iOrlando Pirates because akekho right umjidi. So uselebo uthole opportunity ukuthi adlale, yabo. Seconfirmiwe kuthiwa uMiguel Team miphela isizini uzoshiya kweOrlando Pirates, yabo. So lana ngizokhuluma bafethu. Njengoba Orlando Pirates ipromote abafana abawu2 abancane abadlala esiswini. Ipromote abafana abancane abawu2 abadlala esiswini, and abafana labo it's not like abafana nje abangalazi ibhola. These boys are the new age of Andile Jali and Obamanyisa. I'm not trying to praise them and overhype them, because you know when you overhype abadlali abancane abasafufusa, those players tend to not give you lento le obuyitshela ukuthi banayo. But I've seen some few games. I wouldn't say much about uDansini, but uSeleb, I've seen some few games aSeleb. The boy, indlela adlala ngakhona, he's the reincarnation of Obamanyisa. He is the reincarnation of Obamanyisa. Indlela adlala ngakhona, yebo. Jose Riveiro wafika kweOrlando Pirates wazama ukwakha injini yakhe. Injini yakhe yayi-consista of these two players, Makhehleni Makhawula and uMiguel Team. These players really helped Jose Riveiro. Njengoba sengasekho Jose Riveiro, uMiguel Team uyashiya kweOrlando Pirates, and Makhehleni Makhawula is the oldest player playing for Orlando Pirates. Yabo, he is the oldest player for Orlando Pirates, and asazi noma i-contract yakhe izorenewa noma ngizirenewe yini. Yabo, we don't really know about Makhehleni Makhawula, but all I know is Miguel Team is leaving Orlando Pirates at the end of the season. He will be joining the likes of Skukuna United, because I've heard Skukuna United is interested in signing Miguel Team. So when you look at these young boys, I feel like for me, they are the future of Orlando Pirates. I hope the coach that is coming right now tries to establish a new formation, a new engine of Orlando Pirates. I-engine yethu right now isizothola amafutha amasha. Amafutha amadala asiya, yabo, asasebenza ngalendlela esifuna asebenze ngakhona. I know Miguel Team bafethu, Miguel Team abulawa kakhulu ama-injury. Ama-injury akhe namanje ngisakhala umshida. Ngabe usidla kakhulu nguMiguel Team, but ke ama-injury ambulalile. Yabo, ama-injury ambulalile. Right now uba uRussell Bosch is another player ulimele. Omele ngabuya adlala ngokulimala Makhehleni Makhawula. But ke uSelepe raised his hand and he's playing. He scored a beautiful goal against AmaZulu, which tells you a lot about this guy. He is thirsty to play for Orlando Pirates main team. He is thirsty. He is hungry for that jersey. Yo, and he is willing to fight the old guys. He's willing to fight. Abondlondo right now, they are eating ice. So right now, Orlando Pirates have made signings, and one of those signings was Sihlendulo udlala esiswini. Yabo, he's the potential replacement Miguel Team, if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, he's the potential replacement. So asazi noma ukusayinwa kaSihlendulo kuzobuhlalisa lo mfana ebenchini uSelepe. Yabo, I think the boy needs to fight. These boys kumele balwe ngempela, bayilwele i-team. I think they are the future right now, because I don't want to see these boys being loaned. Yabo, it's not like abakwazi ukudlala, they know how to play. Mase sibalona, what is the purpose of loaning these boys? What is the purpose of ukuba ne-TDC? Washo futhi uMandla Ncikazi sikephi isidingo sokuba ne-TDC uma ungeke uzokwazi ukuba promote labafana labadlala ku main team yakho? Because the whole purpose of having a TDC team is to, yabo, grow these young players, grow them in such a way that they will understand the fundamental culture ye main team. They will see ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani ku main team when you promote them. Yabo, bajime ne main team khona bezojwayela. Yabo, we did the same thing with uMbokazi. We did the same thing with AboSesana. We did the same thing with AboMfukeng. We did the same thing with AboNkotha. Right now they are playing with the main team. They started training with the main team, and but they know ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani right now. So these boys, they know ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani. So what is the purpose of loaning them? So I don't think Orlando Pirates kumele ibalone labafana laba. Labafana laba kumele babe i-future Orlando Pirates. Yebo, they are the future of Orlando Pirates. Ngeke ngaze ngawo bafethu, but mina for me, I think the boys must now think ahead. Yebo, they must think ahead. What's okay, njoba right now sesiku-main team, yiziphi izinto ezosiza thina ukuthi sikwazi ukulevel up igame yethu. Yabo. But ke ngeke ngazi, but bengafisa kodwa ukuthi i-team ibanikeze labo u2 Makhehleni Makhawula benomigwel team maybe 1 year, both of them. Yabo, babanikeze eminye iminyaka like 1 kuma contracts wabo ukuze bazohlala bakwazi ukubakhulisa labafana bawu2 laba. Yabo, bakwazi nje ukubakhulisa mfethu bakhombisa indlela ukuthi okay, thina we are the old guys, we know ukuthi Orlando Pirates idingani, siyayazi institution idingani, like babakhombisa indlela. Yabo, because kuyasho ukuthi indlela ibuzwa abaphambili. Awucabanga usudlala ku-Orlando Pirates ayekho umuntu omdala like osekayihamba indlela, because these boys abakazi bahlangane nomzimba. They haven't faced iMamelodi Sundowns, abakazi badlala against the Sundowns, i-main team ye-Sundowns, so they don't know ukuthi yini abazohlangana nayo. So they need abadlali abanjengoMakhehleni Makhawula who know ukuthi kwenzakalani, but they need abomigwel team abazobafaka endleleni ukuthi hey, akumele ushaye umsangano lapha. You need to play your best game against the Mamelodi Sundowns. You need to play your best game against the Kaizer Chiefs. Funny enough, uSelepe got his chance against the Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo, sidlala iSoweto Derby lapha FNB, and he played very well. Yabo, lawo minutes amancane awathola, the guy was exceptional. Yabo, the guy was exceptional. So I think we need these two guys, abo Makhehleni Makhawula benomigwel team. But again, it's up to the management right now. It's up to the management. Abo Sihle Nduli, they are coming through. Sihle Nduli is coming through, and he will come with a new style of play. Sihle Nduli, we don't really know ukuthi yini indlela adlala ngakhona Sihle Nduli. Yabo, he's a tall player. Yabo, we provide a low height with him esiyidingayo right now. He playing eswini, defensive number 6. Asazi ukuthi udlala kanjani. Yabo, singafihlelani nje, asazi ukuthi udlala kanjani. But ke I hope umjida uzofika akwazi ukuhlala kahle, adjust kwi-team, akwazi ukuyisisa i-team. But ke uSelepe kumele aphakamise amasokisi umfana umezocompete nabadlali abanjengoMbatha nabadlali abanjengoSihle Nduli, because the scheme sobe shisa ngempela lapho. Scheme sobe shisa ngempela. Ngeke ngazi. But for me, these young boys, they have a bright future ahead of them. Yabo, management akumele badedele kanjalo nje lightly. Bayignome map ama-team la ku-Betway, and asikwazi ukubalona labadlali kuma-team alezansi ko-DDC ku-NFD.